Hello guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. Now there's few ways how to go around that, and I'm going to show you the few ways that I know. Right, so the first way I'm going to show you is by utilizing a plugin. As you can see here, I'm in YouTube and I'm going to simply choose a few YouTube channels. So I'm going to simply choose this English fluency journey here. I'm going to open up this channel and I'm going to simply choose this digital success AI channel here, right? So I'm going to simply open up that one and let's choose another one. We can choose this POC English channel here, and we can even try Ali Abdal, right? So we can choose these few channels. Now, once you're in the channel, guys, before I open up these channels, I'm going to show you the plugin that I use. So what you want to do in order to access those plugins, you simply want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper right hand side of your Google Chrome. And then you want to simply click on extensions. Then you can simply click visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you're here, guys, all you have to do is just simply type in monetization, right? Now, once you type in monetization, hit enter, guys. And the plugin that you want to use is this one from Next Live. So check YouTube monetization status. And as you can see here, I'm already installed. Now, once you find that plugin, all you have to do, let's say you want to install a plugin, all you have to do is click on a plugin and you just need to click add to Chrome. But as you can see there, I already have that already. So once I click on it, you will see that it's just showing that remove from Chrome. Now, once you install and add this to Chrome, once you go to your Chrome extensions, I'm going to show you how. Now, in order to see that plugin, you can just simply click on the plugin icon here, and from the taskbar, click manage plugins, and it will take you to your plugins, and you will see that you have the plugin and it's installed. Now, there you have it, how you can install this particular plugin. Now, once you have that plugin installed and enabled, if you click on any channel, just below the channel name, you will see it take a moment to load and it will say monetized. Right? I will check the other channels and show you as well. This one is saying monetized. This one is saying monetized. And as well, I will check the following channel and this one is saying monetized as well. Now, I'm going to show you another channel that is currently not monetized just to show you the accuracy. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and I will open up my channel. So I'm going to simply click on view channel here and this will take you to my channel. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to show you a few of my channels. Now, as you can see, I have another one called Up IQ. If you click on this channel, as you can see, this channel is not monetized because it is fairly new. Guys, and if you're interested in seeing mobile tutorials, come over and check out Up IQ. You can come here and you can subscribe to this channel so that you can find a lot of mobile tutorials. Right now, this is how you can check if the channel is monetized. Now, the next way that I want to simply show you is by utilizing Google. So if you come here, you can just type in Google, check if YouTube channel is monetized, right? So once you come here, you will see quite a lot of options. Now, the option I normally use is this website here, YT Large. So if you click on this, it will take you to this website here. And all you have to do is just simply come here and grab that channel name. So you want to grab the channel URL, right? Once you grab the channel URL, let me go ahead and close the ads. You just need to paste the channel URL here and just fill in the numbers that it will give you. So as you can see, it says 293. Just simple type in that and hit enter. It will take a moment to load. And once it loads, it will give you the result and say that this channel is monetized or not. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a second channel that is monetized and I'm going to show you once that loads. Now, it is still running. Now it is finished. And as you can see, it says monetization status off. This channel is fairly new and it gives you quite a lot of information about the channel. Now, what I'm going to do, let's try a second channel here and type in 814 and hit enter and allow this a moment to load. And as you can see, it is loading and it gives me the full status now of this channel. As you can see here, it says English fluency journey is monetized. It gives you full information about the channel, the category, etc. And one beautiful thing is that it's also showing you how much this channel could be earning in terms of views, right? So as you can see, it's showing you the niche, the RPM of the niche. And if you scroll on more, it is showing you how much each niche is paying and approximate. You can do some rough estimate of the revenue of each channel. So this is really interesting stuff, guys. I really hope you find this useful. And if you do, guys, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you found this useful, or if you know of another app, another way, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you next time.